Established in 2009, Miraclean Technology Company Limited is a Class II medical device manufacturer which integrated R&D, production, and distribution. In order to meet and surpass the industry standard, Miraclean equips with standard GMP production workshops, specializes in the production of sterilized disposable sampling swabs, sterilized disposable medical swabs, and related sampling consumables, and to meet the various demands of sampling collection for the nasopharynx, oropharynx, saliva, cervix, feces, etc. The products are widely used in hospitals, biopharmaceuticals, public security criminal investigations, food, disease control, gene companies, etc. Mantacc, a high-end brand of Miraclean Technology Company Limited, is committed to provide humanized, technological, and accurate cell specimen collection solution and transportation service in medical, life science, forensic, and other fields. As a professional and reputable corporation, we have an excellent management team with abundant experience and international visions. The whole life cycle of the products is strictly implemented in accordance with the medical device system standards and has passed ISO 13485, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE certification. The products have distributed to more than 80 countries and regions. Mantacc has become the world's leading brand in the field of peripheral laboratory. With a million-level daily production capacity, we are able to satisfy worldwide consumers' heavy demand. No matter where you are, the service of Mantacc is always available.